Welcome back to the Mindset for Course Creators and Online Entrepreneurs series, where we focus on building the confidence, mindset, and habits you need to grow a successful course, coaching business, or online brand. Today, we're talking about setbacks, how to rebuild confidence and keep moving forward after things don't go as planned. If you've ever thought, I put in the effort and it didn't work, now what? I feel discouraged and unsure if I should keep going. I don't know how to bounce back after this. You're not alone. Setbacks are part of every success story. The key is learning how to recover and keep going. Let's break down how to rebuild confidence after a setback and come back stronger. Step 1, reframe the setback. It's a lesson, not a failure. Most people see setbacks as proof that they aren't good enough. But successful entrepreneurs see them as lessons that show what needs to be improved, opportunities to adjust and try again. A normal part of the journey, not the end of it. Instead of thinking, I failed, shift to, I learned something valuable. Step 2, separate your self-worth from the setback. One failed launch, one slow month, or one mistake does not define your worth. Ask yourself, if my best friend had this setback, what would I tell them? What's one thing I still do really well? What have I already accomplished that proves I can succeed? You are not your results. Your value comes from the skills, knowledge, and impact you bring. Step 3, look at what worked, not just what didn't. Even when something doesn't go as planned, there's always something that worked. Try this. Write down what went well. Even small wins count. Write down what didn't work. No judgment, just facts. Write down what you'll do differently next time. Focusing on what worked helps you move forward with confidence. Step 4, take small wins to build momentum again. Confidence doesn't come from waiting. It comes from taking action. Instead of trying to fix everything at once, start with one small step today. Example, brainstorm new content ideas. One thing you can improve. Example, adjust your marketing message. One habit to rebuild consistency. Example, show up for your audience daily. Small wins build momentum, and momentum rebuilds confidence. Step 5, surround yourself with encouragement, not doubt. Setbacks feel worse when you're surrounded by negativity. Avoid comparison traps. Unfollow accounts that make you feel behind. Seek out positive voices. Join a mastermind. Listen to motivational content. Talk to people who uplift you. Mentors, friends, or fellow entrepreneurs who remind you of your strengths. You'll bounce back faster when you're in the right environment. Step 6, trust that this setback is temporary. Every entrepreneur has faced setbacks, but the ones who succeed are the ones who don't let temporary struggles define their future. Stay committed to learning and adjusting. Believe that success is still possible. This moment is just one chapter in your story. It's not the final page. Come back stronger. Your success story is still being written. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's one small step you're taking to rebuild confidence today? And if you need help structuring your course and moving forward after a challenge, grab my free course topic and naming guide at the link below. If you're ready to keep going and rebuild momentum, get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi to create your course, email list, and marketing systems. Pro tip, pre-sell your course in Kajabi during the first 30 days to cover your subscription cost. Now go take action, because a setback is only permanent if you stop moving forward.